Hello everyone, good morning students. Today we will continue with our exercise of unit number 2. Here a passage is given. We have to read this passage and then do the exercise that follow. So let's start. The dog family. The dog family is one of the 11 families that make up the carnivores, a large group of intelligent, flesh-eating, backboned animals. In this group are such varied animals as bears, pandas, raccoons, cattle, hyenas, and even seal. The dog or canine family has many wild species like wolves, foxes, coyotes, jackals, and wild dogs. The dog is the only domesticated member of the canine family. Here we have seen many species of domestic and wild dog families, but only the dog is the domesticated member of that canine family. Though now and then someone tames a wolf, fox, or coyote as a pet. All members of the dog family are descendants of a wolf, like animals which lived about 15 million years ago. From this distant ancestor, the true dogs gradually developed. But nobody knows the exact ancestor of the modern domestic dog. Several wild dogs look and behave like domestic dogs. The dingo or wild dog of Australia is one of these. Dingo and wild dog of Australia looked and behaved like domestic dogs, which we tamed at our home. It is possible that the dingo was a tamed dog brought to Australia long ago, which then ran wild. Dogs were the first animals tamed by humans. This thing I have also discussed with you during our lesson, that dogs were the first animals tamed by humans, perhaps 20,000 years ago. Tame dogs were brought from Asia to the New World 5,000 or more years ago. Dogs were first used for hunting. So this is the passage. Now we have to do this exercise, missing letters. Here question number 1. Find the opposites of these words in the text above. We have just read the text above. So we have to find the opposite word of given words. First word is given ancestor. So the opposite of ancestor is descendant. Descendant, the spelling is D E S C E N D E N T. Here the opposite word of ancestor is descendant. Then another word is given wild. We have to write the opposite meaning of wild. So here we will write T is already given, T-A-M-E. Tame is the opposite of wild. Then the third one is given ancient. Third one is given ancient. The opposite word of ancient is modern. Ancient means modern. Ancient means very old. We can say it in Hindi prachin. Or the opposite word of prachin is arvachin. So here in English the opposite of ancient is modern. Then fourth number is given near. Here we will write the opposite word of near is distant. D is already given. We will write the spelling of distant. D-I-S D-I-S-T-A-N-T. This is the spelling of distant. And the last one is given suddenly. Suddenly means gradual. So the opposite meaning of suddenly is gradually. G-R-A-D-U-A-L-L-Y. So these are the opposite forms of the given words. Now question number 2. Complete the following sentences. Here an incomplete phrase is given. We have to complete this sentence from the above passage. Number 1 is given. The dingo is blank. Here we will write the dingo is wild dog of Australia. Wild dog of Australia. I have just said you while I was reading the passage. Dingo is wild dog of Australia. Then second number, dogs were the blank tamed by humans. The other animals tamed by humans are blank. Here in the bracket it's written think and name some other such animals. So here we have to think and name some other animals. So in the first blank, dogs were the first animals. जो dogs थे, जो humans tame करते थे, तो वो सब animals में से जो dogs थे वो first थे जिनको human ने tame किया. And in the second blank we will write other animals tamed by humans. Now also, at present also, we tamed animals. So, which are the animals? So, the cow, we tamed the cow, cats, then sheep. We will also write horse. We can also write goats, etc. Now the third number is the new world refers to blank. Dogs were brought there from blank. So the new world refers to America. Here I have written America. And then dogs were brought them from Asia. In the last blank we will write Asia. So here we have completed these sentences. Okay. Now another exercise. Here you can see the picture is given of a dog family. Here the picture is given of a dog family. Here on the above at the center it has written family tree of dog. So these all are the canine dogs. So first we will write here carnivores. C-A-R-N-I-V-O-R-E-S. Carnivores. This whole family is of carnivore dogs. First one is given seal. Then second one we will write raccoons. This is, you can see this picture. This is raccoons. So we will write RACCOON. This is the picture of raccoon. Then this is the picture of hyena. HYENA. Dog. Or here below at the below of dog is canine family. CANINE. It's canine family. Then here we will write panda. This is the picture of panda. Here this whole tree is the family tree of dogs. Then this one is bear. You all know this animal. It's bear. Now canine family has wild. Then here we will write wolf. WOL, wolf. Then we will write here fox. FOX. Then here we will write COYOTE, coyote. Then here we will write jackal. JACKAL. And here at the above of wild dogs we will write domesticated. DOMISCATED. It's domesticated. So these all are the family members of dog family. Once again I am repeating: seal, raccoon, hyena, panda and bear. Then dog or canine family में से there are two types of canine family: wild animals, wild dog and domesticated dog. In wild dog we can write wolf, fox and coyote, jackal, and then the word is given domesticated. Okay, so now here we have completed the exercise of unit number 2. Thank you students.